So welcome back to another day in the life. A little bit of a shorter episode for you this week because we're just back from Christmas, but lots to show you in the barn, lots going on, and I've been cuddling up to this GT2 all day. You'll see a lot of that in the video. Plus, we've got a special video to show you all about this car that will be up on YouTube around the same time. Right, up at the paint shop, lots going on today. So we've got Paul Simpsons race car in here. So that's back from having the cage fitted. That's going to be now put into rent colours. So we've got obviously our blood orange bumpers going on, white wings front and back, and then black tatting over the top. So that's going into paint over the next day or so. We've got Marek in the paint booth. Hey Marek.
Hello.
So we've got some 912 bits here being sprayed up. Door frame, and then I guess these are Paul's Cayman bonnet.
Yes, they are. We're going to clean them today.
Cool. Probably next week, week after we'll be back, and that Cayman will be painted, won't it?
By Wednesday should be done.
Wednesday, all good. Right, now it's Wednesday. Marek, you finished it. You said you would.
Yes, as we promised. Panels are up and it's ready for assembly and ready to race.
So we've got a box fresh Cayman S. Got to. Looks absolutely awesome in our colours. And we're hoping to have this out on track, as we said, on the 30th of Jan at Silverstone for testing. So the boys are going to come up and start fitting it back up, which is good. And then yesterday arrived Nick Lawrence, who's driving with us in Class 3 next year. We got his cage in, so the car's back. Smiley face in the front as well. So the other car we've got up here, which is just about ready to go back down the road to get fitted up, is the 1979 Turbo, if you remember, the light green Turbo metallic. So this is the spoiler, obviously part section of the spoiler to go back on. Also we've got the cowling, the engine cowling here, which is going to go on the engine. And that engine's being completely rebuilt with new turbos, etc. So that's going to look stunning to have the engine cowling in the same colour as the bodywork. Exactly, well. I just want to use that. Just spot one.
Yeah, you just spot one.
Right. So, if you remember the last episode, we had the 912 literally in packages all over the floor. The new panels we've got, what we could, salvage. It was all lying around like an IKEA backpack, wasn't it?
Yeah. On the place.
And it's now coming back together, isn't it? Yeah, it's a car. It's a car.
Starts to look like a yacht.
Yeah. Just unloaded the 930 Turbo. I still love this colour so much. So it's back down here now, waiting for a slot on one of the ramps. Engine's in full flow, so hopefully that's fit to go in the next couple of weeks, and this will start progressing really quickly after that. So -4. I'm just going to go inside the barn, try and warm up, and have a chat with Joe.
So this is the engine that I think you've been following for a while. This is the 3 litre that we've been building. It's now got its throttle bodies on, it's all been painted. We're just finishing up some wiring, tidying it up, and then once that's done, we'll put it up into this.
It's gorgeous. Okay, so here we've got another 2003 Boxtser S. You've just seen Nick Lawrence's Class 3 car up at the paint shop, so that's just getting its colour. That'll then be down here to be refitted up with obviously engine and safety features. This one is going to be up for sale. So this is as I say, 2003, so it's the later 986 Boxster with the uprated engine. And this has just been stripped, engine coming out now with Joe working on that, and then it will be off to get its cage and then back into paint to get into colours. So if you're after a Boxster Cup Class 3 car, here you go, give us a call. Well, that's it for another day in the life. Thanks very much for watching. Click like and subscribe as usual. And there's another video coming up with this rather lovely GT2, so don't forget to watch that. Just off to give this a bit of a spin for that video. See you soon.